What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you've ever owned a Prowler, you probably know how bad the seats can get in there. When you're jumping in and out, sliding in and out on those seats, the sides can get so worn out and ripped up like these are, and they can separate from the plastic seat base. Today I'm going to be replacing these seats with some new ones, so we're going to get down here and remove the bottom panels and get them swapped out. So this is going to be really easy. Just pop your seats out and unscrew the bottom plate off of the seat. This is a fairly universal seat design. It will also fit in some lawnmower applications and other UTV models. Now there are a few things you need to make sure that you do when we reinstall them, so we'll go through that later. But these are the seats I got. They're exactly the same. I'll leave them in the link down in the description, so if you've got worn out seats, these are the exact same style and fit, and they'll fit right into your Prowler. All you have to do is unscrew your bottom plate and screw on the new one. They have a lot of mounting options down on the bottom, so if you have any other application that these seats will work for, like go-karts or other brands of UTVs, like the John Deere Gators use these seats, or even your lawnmower bucket seat, this is a great replacement option for that. Alright, so with your seat out and you get that bottom plate removed, you've got 4 screws down on the bottom to remove. Now when you put them back together, there are 2 spaces on this bottom plate. One side is for the driver and one side is for the passengers. So when you put your seats back together, you're going to want to put one of your seats to the driver's side and you're going to want to put one of your seats to the passenger side. This is just so your seat, when you put it into the Prowler, it's got that little bit of offset to keep it off of the side of the Prowler, give some room for the seat belts. So just make sure when you're installing them, don't put them both to the driver's side, don't put them both to the passenger side. Make sure you have one of each, and these seats are interchangeable on either side, so it doesn't matter which seat you put on the mounting plate. Just make sure you get one for one side and you get one for the other side, so you have a driver and a passenger. Alright, we got the seats all installed. I have one over here on the passenger side, and then I've got another one installed here on the mounts for the driver's side. So there you go, you've got new seats installed. These look so much better than those old ripped up seats, and it'll be a lot nicer when you're riding, not having the seat cushion popping off and moving around while you're out on the trail. So I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.